Here's the honest truth about faceless YouTube channels in 2025. Research is everything. Pick the wrong niche and you'll waste months creating videos nobody actually watches, while others seem to effortlessly build six-figure channels. But what if you could see exactly which channels are making the most money right now, in real time? No guessing, no hoping. Imagine knowing for certain which niches have the lowest competition and highest RPMs. That's where NextLev comes in, the secret tool that content creators are using to build successful faceless YouTube channels. But is it actually worth it? Let's find out. Here's the big problem. Most faceless creators are spending weeks, sometimes months, creating content in niches that are completely oversaturated. They're putting all this effort into videos that barely earn pennies per 1,000 views. I've seen creators pour their hearts into their channel, getting a decent 50,000 views, barely making anything from it because the RPM was so low. Meanwhile, someone else in a different niche is earning way more from the exact same number of views. The traditional research methods are actually part of the problem. When everyone uses the same keyword tools and trend analyzers, they all end up chasing the same topics. Think about it. If 10,000 creators see that passive income is trending, guess what happens? A flood of nearly identical content where nobody can stand out. For years, finding truly profitable niches was mostly luck, or something you had to pay thousands for in premium courses. The real gold mines were kept secret by successful creators who had no interest in sharing their winning formulas. This is why the average faceless creator wastes up to 6 months in completely unprofitable niches before finding something that actually works, if they even stick around that long. Most of them give up after seeing depressing results for weeks on end, never realizing they were just in the wrong niche. But now we have an endless supply of advanced AI tools to choose from, and NextLev is one of them. It's been specifically designed to help you create successful YouTube channels. So how exactly does it do that? By helping you find outlier channels, brand new YouTube channels getting massive amounts of views despite not having many subscribers. This is the clearest sign of an untapped niche with hungry audiences. Finding these needles in the haystack by yourself? Good luck with that. YouTube has over 51 million channels with 500 plus hours of content uploaded every single minute. It's practically impossible to spot these opportunities without help. NextLev isn't just another tool. It's an AI-powered system designed specifically to identify these hidden scans millions of channels and shows you exactly what's working right now, which new channels are getting views, which niches have high RPMs, and where the untapped potential lies. It's like having X-ray vision into YouTube's algorithm, showing you exactly where to focus your efforts for maximum results. That X-ray vision isn't just a metaphor. It's built into every feature of the NextLev dashboard. NextLev users can identify gold mines in minutes with just a few clicks. Let me show you what's inside this game-changing tool and why it's creating such a buzz among faceless content creators. When you first log into NextLev, you're greeted with an incredibly user-friendly interface. Don't let the simplicity fool you, though. Under the hood is a powerful system scanning millions of YouTube channels in real time. The dashboard organizes everything into intuitive sections that make finding profitable niches almost effortless. The AI Niche Finder is where the real magic happens. This feature lets you filter channels based on specific criteria that matter to success. Imagine being able to search for channels that started just 1 month ago, but already have 800,000 views with only 7 uploads. These are exactly the kind of outlier opportunities that show untapped potential, and NextLev makes them visible with a few simple clicks. The advanced filter section takes your research even deeper. Want to only find channels that don't post shorts and have at least 10,000 views per video? NextLev can do that in seconds. This precision means you'll never waste time exploring niches that don't meet your specific requirements. Here's something that will really open your eyes. Did you know some YouTube niches earn up to 20 times more per views than others? The RPM predictor feature shows you exactly where the money is. Instead of chasing views in niches that pay pennies, you can focus on categories where advertisers pay premium rates. Simply click the magic reveal button and NextLev will estimate the potential revenue, helping you avoid low-paying content areas entirely. NextLev doesn't stop at the dashboard either. Their Chrome extension lets you analyze channels directly while browsing YouTube. You can test thumbnails, analyze comments, and gather competitive intelligence without switching between different tools. As you explore, you can save promising channels and keywords directly within NextLev. This feature is surprisingly helpful when you're comparing different niches and want to track potential content ideas. The tool continuously scrapes YouTube for fresh data, ensuring you always have access to the latest trends and opportunities. Now, as amazing as all of these features are, they do come with a big price tag. But before you panic and click off the video, yeah, I'm talking to you. There is a much cheaper option, which I'll also talk about. For the main NextLev tool, there's a one-time payment, 510 euros, which puts it in a different category to most other YouTube tools that demand monthly subscriptions. This gives you lifetime access to everything NextLev has to offer, so you'll never have to make another payment. When you think about the potential long-term value, this pricing structure makes a lot of sense for serious creators. I've also left a link below in the description, which gives you a 20% discount on this. But if you're one of the many people who made a slight gasp at the one-time payment price, don't worry, I got you. If you still want to try some of the incredible features that NextLev has to offer, but don't have enough to make the one-time payment, you can just download the Chrome extension for 13 euros per month, or just 9 euros per month when you buy the annual plan. It still offers a lot of the features, but for a much cheaper price. And it even comes with a 14-day free trial, so you can try it out for yourself to see if it's worth it for you. So let's say you go ahead and make the one-time payment. What's the return on your investment? Many creators claim that they made the money back within a few months when they use NextLev effectively. One case study even shows a creator who used NextLev to help create a channel that racked up just under 1 million views in 30 days. That kind of traffic, especially in high RPM niches, can quickly make the initial investment seem completely worth it. The good news is that if you decide to take the plunge, the learning curve isn't as steep as you might think. Most people become comfortable with using NextLev's features after. What makes NextLev really stand out is that it's not just a static tool, it's constantly evolving. Noah and his team are constantly updating it to make sure you always have access to the latest trends and features that can boost your content strategy and help you build a profitable YouTube channel. They're also planning to roll out enhanced AI capabilities for niche discovery and improved analytics tools in the future, which will give you even more ways to optimize your YouTube strategy. The real value of NextLev isn't just in finding golden opportunities, it's in the confidence it gives you that you're putting your time and energy where it matters. Whether NextLev becomes part of your toolkit or not, approaching your channel with data-driven decisions will always beat random uploads and hoping for the best. So, if you're ready to take things to the next level, see what I did there? Click the link in the description below and make sure to leave a comment to let me know what you think of NextLev. Oh, and speaking of helpful tools, did you know there's one that can create realistic sounding AI voices? Check out this video